Hello everyone. This is my project for CS50's web programming and Python and JavaScript course, and this is the homepage of the website. As you can see in the navbar, the home is highlighted. We are at the homepage of the website, and I use Bootstrap's navbar component for this navbar, which displays logo of the website and the hyperlinks to switch between various pages. In the homepage of in the homepage, I have these facts displayed. These facts are displayed in an unordered list and arranged in this layout with the help of CSS Flexbox and Bootstrap Force grid system. So let's move on to the second page. The second page of this website, which shows this data about various sources to learn and explore space, and this data is displayed using a table with various classes from Bootstrap 4. So these are the links which user can visit to learn about space. These are actual links, by the way. You can visit them if you want. So let's move on. This is the third page of the website where there is a form if someone wants to submit a fact about space. This is not in the requirements of the project, but I figured something has to be in the page, so why not this? So, and this is the fourth page of the website, which shows wallpapers that you can download from unsplash.com. As you can see, here is unsplash.com. You can go to this website, and yeah, all these wallpapers are from Unsplash. The images are again displayed using unordered list, and these images are clickable. As you can see there, if I hover on them, you can see the pointer, and they have this nice transition of when I hover on it, the zoom transition, and these are clickable. If I click on any of these wallpapers, it will take me to Unsplash link, and from there I can download the wallpaper. And now about the mobile layout of the website, like it is responsive. So as you can see, the image is adjusted according to the layout of this mobile display, and we have this collapsible navbar here with which we can switch between the pages. And to arrange the layout in this form, I used a Bootstrap grid system and also some Flexbox. As you can see, it was like arranged in tabular form, then it arranged one below the other. Now in this more sources, I removed the number here and about, because it was supposed to adjust according to the mobile display, so we didn't have that much space. I did that with media query. If the width of the display is less than 700 pixels, it will remove those two rows. As you can see, these two rows are available. If I go to mobile view, they are gone. So that is it. This is my project 0 for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. Hope you like this project and have a nice day.